To use Afterpay at Walmart in store. Start by checking if your local Walmart store accepts Afterpay as a payment method. You can do this by visiting the Walmart website or by calling the store directly. Once you confirm that Afterpay is accepted, download and install the Afterpay app on your mobile device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. The app will guide you through the process of setting up your account and linking a payment method. When you are ready to make a purchase at Walmart, open the Afterpay app and tap on the In-Store tab. Select Walmart as the store and follow the prompts to generate a unique barcode. This barcode is used to process your Afterpay transaction at the checkout. At the Walmart checkout, let the cashier know that you want to use Afterpay as your payment method. They will then ask you to open the Afterpay app and show them the barcode you generated earlier. The cashier will scan the barcode to process the transaction. Afterpay will then split your purchase into 4 interest-free installments, due every 2 weeks. You will receive reminders and notifications from Afterpay when your payments are due. It is essential to note that you need to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. You can view your payment schedule and make payments directly through the Afterpay app. Using Afterpay at Walmart in-store is a convenient and flexible way to shop and pay for your purchases over time. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of Afterpay and understand how the payment process works before making a purchase.